Hey, fellow mathers, we've got exciting news for you.
Yep, registration for the free Math is Figureoutable Challenge is now open.
Oh, get ready for a fast paced learning experience where you'll learn the real meaning of fluency and how to build it in your students. Find joy in teaching math and engage in super cool mathing.
There'll be a very special guest, free downloads, prizes, and more importantly, a high energy, engaging 3 days of sessions.
Join us for 3 1-hour sessions from September 3rd through the 5th, 7 p.m. Central Time. Register at mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge for a fantastic learning experience. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. Now on to the episode.
Hey, fellow mathers, welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam Harris.
And I'm Kim Montague.
And this is a Math Strat Chat episode where we chat about our math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a math problem on social media, and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking.
Okay, so this Wednesday, our math problem was, if 6/7 is 2/3 of a number, what is 1/3 of that same number? How would you solve this problem? Pause, solve however you'd like. The problem is, if 6/7 is 2/3 of a number, what is 1/3 of that same number?
Bam. Okay, I kind of want to do the easy one, but I'll let you. This one sounds complicated.
Yeah.
Because it's like
6/7 is not-
sevenths.
Yeah.
Sevenths are tricky and like
Yeah.
period decimal stuff.
Well,
whatever.
and yeah, but I really love that it's asking about 2/3 of a number
Mhm.
and then asking about 1/3 of a number. And if you know unit fractions, like if you think of non-unit fractions as multiplicative of the unit fraction, man, this is not horrible.
Meaning that 2/3 is 2 1/3.
Yeah, it's twice as
Okay.
much. So
okay,
we
go
know
ahead.
what it is when it's 2/3 of a number, then 1/3 is going to be half as much as the
Okay,
6/7.
here's the hard part. What's half of 6/7?
3/7.
Nice.
Yeah. I love
Okay,
when
so
problems look like a little
crunchy?
meaty and tricky and
Yeah.
hard, and when you actually like get involved with the problem, you're like making sense of it. You're like, hey, that's not that bad.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to take a more complicated but a different way that we can think about
Clever, playful
it.
way.
Clever. I'm going to try to be playful.
Okay.
If 6/7, I'm just going to think about it as 6 somethings. 6 things
Okay.
is 2/3 of a number. If 6 is 2/3 of the number, can I chunk 6 into 2 bits? Because I'm saying it's 2/3 of a number. So I'm going to chunk the 6 into 2 bits. That's got to be threes. So each third is threes. So now I know that I'm at 3/7. Did I just do that right? Okay, all of a sudden it sounded wrong.
So 6 things is 2/3.
6 things is 2/3. Then 3 things is 1/3.
Right.
And what's the thing? It's sevenths. So 3/7 is 1/3 of that number.
And to some people that might not sound like it's all that different than what I did, but there is something different about it. Because there are times where the denominator is really something that you want to like set aside and picture the amount in the numerator and what's happening, what's being operated on the amount in the numerator.
Well, can I go one more place with what we just did?
Yeah, sure.
So if 6 things is in 2 chunks, to get the whole number, to get the number, I need 3 of those chunks. So if 3/7 is one of those chunks, and I need 3 of those chunks to make 3/3 of the number, then that would be 9/7. So 9/7 is the number, then, but I only need 1/3 of it. Then I'm going to do 1/3 of 9 things, and that's 3/7. So just some more extension, kind of.
Nice.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, well, every week we cannot wait to see what you do on Math Strat Chat. Join us and let us know how you think about the problems, and of course, comment on each other's strategies.
We'll post the problems on Wednesdays around 7 p.m. Central. And by the way, thanks for the few of you who were telling us that there was a problem on X the other day. Twitter, for whatever reason, wasn't posting. So thanks for the shout out. We appreciate that you're actually following what we're doing. And y'all, when you answer, tag me and use the hashtag MathStratChat. Then join us to hear how we're thinking about the problem. We love having you as part of the Math is Figureoutable movement. Math is Figureoutable.
Thank you for listening and making math more figure-outable.
To learn even more about making math figure-outable and how to teach it that way, join us for our free challenge running September 3rd through 5th.
All you need to do is sign up and show up. Register at mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge.
That's mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. Looking forward to seeing you there.